These are my experiences and what I've learned about the restricted performance message. Land Rover Discovery 4 restricted performance. Now this is enough to strike fear into the heart of any Land Rover owner, and it has a multitude of causes. In this case I'm referring to the TDV6 in its 2.7 and 3 litre versions. Possible causes are the mass airflow meter, the mass air pressure meter, an induction leak, and that could be a turbo actuator not working or holes in the piping leading to the intercooler, or cracked inlet manifolds, and quite a few other potential causes. Now this is the error message that I got in my GAP OBD2 diagnostic tool. It talks about manifold absolute pressure, mass or volume airflow correlation, which means that the two figures don't match or aren't meeting the requirements of the ECU. This doesn't really tell you much, apart from that it could be one of the causes that I've previously mentioned. In my case, I cleaned the mass airflow sensors and cleaned out a very dirty mass air pressure sensor, which I thought might work, but no, it didn't. And the restricted performance message came up again. These cars are known for getting cracked inlet manifolds, and all of the forums pointed in that direction, which means a body off to replace them correctly. A smoke tester is really the only way to find out where the leak's coming from, but I don't have one, and I wasn't going to spend $200 to buy one just for this problem, so I made one. And you can see a short explanation of how I did this in another video on my channel. The smoke test revealed this: quite a lot of smoke coming from underneath the throttle body. Fortunately it wasn't the inlet manifolds, and there was an awful lot of oil underneath the throttle body. With the throttle body on the bench, the holes blocked up and the smoke tester attached, you can see the smoke coming out of the gap there before too much smoke comes out and obliterates the whole picture. And that was the solution to my problem. I replaced the throttle body and all's good. The genuine Land Rover part was $1,200. I think I probably could have repaired the throttle body by maybe even screwing and bolting it and sealing it in some way, but I haven't tried. If this happens again, and I hope it doesn't, then maybe I'll give that a go. Thanks for viewing this video, and I hope it helps somebody.